Okay, I'm here. We're giving up. We're going back to the old way. I promise I will figure this out, but we're just apparently not quite there yet. So this is a really quick, simple, easy little celebration of love project. All we're going to do is we're going to do, and see, now they're back to being backwards, but for a second there, split second, you had them the right way. We're going to do I love you with the love in glitter. So I'm sorry about all my technical difficulties, but it's just not my thing. I'm trying to get it figured out. But we will. Just gotta be patient with me. I will get it figured out. So, these guys, this is a lot like this metal little thing I'm putting this on. This is a lot like glass. So you really have to fuzz when you put things on here. And it can really stretch your transfers. So you do have to be a little careful with them. But this is a really quick, it's a tiny little transfer. It's one of our least expensive ones. It just says I love you on it. It's nothing fancy. And this is the perfect little thing, I think, to put anywhere. You could hang it in a kid's bedroom. You could hang it, you could make it for your loved one. I know my loved one just came back from Vegas, so it's another reason we're doing this little project quick, because I haven't seen him and he just walked in the door. Not the best time to go live, but oh well. Was the time I had kids in bed. So, I'm just kind of lining us up. We're going to do I. Maybe we'll do love at an angle. Love you, and we're going to put the love in glitter. So, I'm just using fresh linen because I didn't want it to be a super stark white. Hey Sarah! Hey Cheryl! I'm sorry about my technical difficulties. But I promise I'll get it figured out. Just got to be patient with me and my non-technology. Because I think it'll be really cool when it's done. Either that or I'm going to just give up and we're just going to keep doing videos this way. So, I am just merely squeegeeing on my paste. And you've seen me use glitter before. You just have to be careful with glitter. Because glitter, if you get it on the back of your transfers, you don't get it off. So you just got to be careful with it. So I'm just squeegeeing on my paste. See how I'm holding my squeegee? I don't squeegee like this. I squeegee up and down. And that's what really scrapes it through and gets all my excess off. So I just pull that off, set it down. Carefully pull these when you put them on things like this because it really sticks and you can very easily stretch. So see also when I'm pulling my transfer, because these are the little guys that like to curl on me and I know how much I hate that. So if you pull it this way, you're going to curl. If you pull it up like this, supposedly it doesn't curl. We're going to see. This is the big test. Ready, ladies? What do you think? Is it going to curl? What do you think? I don't know. Huh, no curling. Maybe my little friends are right with their technique of how to pull. So, same thing with my eye. I'm going to pull it straight up and down, not pull it across. A little curling, but not bad. Not at all. Not like the Christmas ribbon I usually get. Okay. So, here's where we're at. This seriously, guys, this is about as fast and quick of a little project as you can do. Good night, Joe. I'm going to dry. I'm going to make sure I'm dry, because if I'm not dry, then the glitter is going to stick where I don't want it to stick. And we don't want it to do that. We want it to stick only to the love part. Because it's the celebration of love. Love, 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 love. And, tomorrow is the 15th. It's officially only a month away. So we can go love crazy. And nobody can tell me I'm doing it too early. Like they all have been. Like my crazy kids have been picking on me for teasing them about the celebration of love. So we have one of those, what's she called? Alexas from Amazon. And did you know she can make announcements? So I'm just fuzzing, sticking it on my knee, picking up the lint. Because again, I'm putting it on a slick surface that's hard, so it really wants to stick to it. So we have an Alexa, and I have been teasing my kids. She makes announcements. So if you have more than one Alexa in your house, she'll talk to the other Alexas. And we do this for like dinner time and stuff when kids are in other places of the house. So the other day, you know, my Joseph is the one I like to tease the most about it because it drives him crazy the most. So the other day my littlest one and I, we were totally teasing him, and we were making Alexa say it all day night long. That it was the celebration of love, and then, oh, he was getting so mad at us, but we were having a really good time teasing him. Okay, so I'm putting our love on. I'm just making sure I have all my air out. And then I'm going to use red. I'm using red to use red glitter. I honestly don't know if you would even see the paste because you're putting the glitter over it. You might, so I don't know if it matters what color you use. We should try that. We should test that one time. Doesn't matter what color paste you use because the glitter is going to hide it. So, put it on, squeegee it off. Now this is about timing, right? Because I'm going to use glitter and I need the paste to be wet because that's what the glitter is going to stick to. Oops, and I missed, see look, sometimes you miss little sections of your silk screen. You missed that section. So I'm just going to get him, squeegee off, put my extra paste back in the container. Start in my corners, but pull from the middle. This is because of the surface that this is on. It's super, super easy to stretch these little guys. In fact, because he's got that cut in him, I'm going to pull him this way. So in one of our previous takes, I showed you how I cut out the transfer. Okay, so again, I'm pulling it very carefully. I did lose part of my L, which I was a little concerned about in my transfer. There was something in my transfer. So, he's wet. I forgot to fold my piece of paper in half. Stick him on top. So, see, this is what we've got so far without the glitter. And then I take my glitter and I dump my glitter. Lots of glitter. It's a lot of glitter. You gotta like glitter. And then you just tap it into the paste. Just like that. Yeah, you can see what I'm doing. Just tap it into the paste. Get it off your finger because you're going to have glitter everywhere. And then you take it. Here, I'll show you. You guys can see what I'm doing. And you just tap so that the glitter comes off. Now see, you've got the residue. And that is because it's static. Because it's a metal board. Hopefully we're going to get that off. So you just tap. And then what I like to do is I like to pull out my garbage can and just tap it over the garbage can so that more of the glitter goes into the can than on the piece of paper. Okay, so he's not done yet. So I know he doesn't look very good yet, but we're going to fix him or clean him up. So then you take all this extra glitter that you have this nice fold in your piece of paper and you just dump it right back in your glitter container for the next crazy glitter project. Close off your glitter because you don't want to spill your glitter. You don't want glitter everywhere. Okay, so then what we do, here, that's getting most of it off. So I'm just tapping it over my garbage can, just like that. See now how most of it's gone? I think you can see the glitter part to him. So then what I do is I just have a makeup brush. It's just an everyday makeup brush I bought in like the dollar section at Target. And I just get the extra off. Now he's still a little wet, so a lot of it's not going to come off, and I'm not pushing too hard because he is still a little wet. When he dries a little more, then I will really go over him with the makeup brush to get the excess glitter off. But that's all you do. And look, you've got this cute little sign for Valentine's Day. It says, I love you, with a little glitter. That's all I got. My quick, easy little project tonight. So this is our first of many Valentine's Day ones. I again appreciate your patience while I try to figure out the technology so that you can see my hands. I promise I'll get it figured out yet. But thank you very, very much for watching me. And I hope you all have a fantastic... Hey, Julie. Oh, I'm glad you like it. I know, it's really cute, isn't it? It's just quick, simple, and easy. You can also do this on paper. So if you want to make Valentine's Day cards with kids and things like that, it's pretty easy to do. So the glitter is a really nice, and I think you can see the glitter if I keep moving it around. See, Sarah, you speak my language, Sarah. Love, 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 right? See how you can see that? I just love the glitter. Oh, and I gotta tell you, you know the 128 new transfers? Tomorrow, I get the catalog so that we can start perusing what projects we're gonna do next of the new ones. And I have to tell you, I've seen some of them, and they're pretty darn cool. We're gonna have so much fun in the next couple weeks with the new catalog. So I get access to it tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure I can share it too. And I know some of you were looking for music transfers. There is music transfers in there. There's a really cute ballerina, oh my gosh, that says dance like nobody's watching. The music one says practice makes perfect. Oh my gosh, and some really cute, oh I know Sarah, you guys were looking for ones for high school. There's some really cute, like inspirational, so I'll get the catalog tomorrow. They go live on February 4th, and then that'll be our catalog until summer. Like August, we get a new one. I know, it is really exciting. But only I get that excited about new transfers. Because I love to chalk, and I love that you guys like it with me. So, thank you everybody. I hope you have a great night, and I will be celebrating some more love with you soon. See ya!